Are you an accountant dealing with endless manual entries, frequent checks, and piles of paperwork? Managing cash flow, invoices, and tax filings manually can be demanding and time consuming, often making your work feel never ending. Have you thought about automating these tasks, which reduces errors, saves time, and streamlines your workflow, making accounting much more manageable? And that's it. Now it's the time for Alltex, a software designed to simplify your bookkeeping, compliance, and cash flow. This software is designed for everyone, whether you're using Tally, another accounting software, or none at all. Also allows you to easily import data from one Excel sheet, transforming hours of manual data entry into just a few clicks. If you are a Tally user, first download Alt XS Excel template, sync your Excel sheet with Tally Masters automatically. Update the ledgers and create vouchers easily, and no more inputting each line by line item by hand. Save the sheet and upload the file to Alltex, and that's it, the voucher is ready, and sync it to Tally. And if you are not using Tally or any other accounting software, just with one populated Excel file you can automate the flow of data, which helps you create invoices, handle GST and TDS filings, and do reconciliations. You can also manage follow-ups. And now, with the PDF and JPEG invoices you receive, you can automatically convert them into vouchers just by uploading your invoices. And the magic happens, which means less time on data entry and fewer errors to fix. You can easily upload your bank statements and have your vouchers created within minutes. Upload your statements in Excel or PDF format, or we have a master template of bank statements. Upload it and each transaction is automatically separated. One side of the ledger is updated with the bank name, while the third-party ledger is auto-picked based on the narration. Once both ledgers are updated, you'll be presented with a bill allocation option to set off the particular bill reference. It's that simple. And there's more. GST and TDS filings and reconciliations are often a challenge faced. You can now file GSTR 1 and 3 with Alltex, making sure you comply with all regulations without having to manually check and double-check your work. With the latest features in GSTR 2B reconciliation, from Alltex you can now download a company's GSTR 2B directly from the portal for reconciliation purposes. Additionally, you can reconcile TDS 26AS directly from the software by downloading the TDS details from the portal for reconciliation. Plus, it helps you manage follow-ups automatically on unpaid invoices and send reminders more effectively. And also, when you have a large number of customers to follow up with and need to organize, review, and plan your follow-ups, this feature makes managing them simple and efficient. You can also send reminders and set specific reminder periods, ensuring no follow-up is missed. Last but not the least, you can generate sales invoices directly from the software. These invoices can be easily converted into e-invoice, and the invoices will be automatically converted into vouchers. The software is designed to be used by accountants or businesses, whether they are not using any accounting software or are using Tally, as it directly syncs with Tally. And the most interesting part is that all these can be done just within few clicks. Why not see how Alltex can make your accounting smoother and more efficient? Let's schedule a demo and see how much easier things can get.